Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Abrar and in today's video we're going to be doing a super amazing TikTok. Let's see what we are going to learn.
Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my head.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
Baby, we can keep it on the low. Let your guard down, ain't nobody got it. If you with the girl, I know a place we can go.
What kind of girl do you take me for?
Alright, so in the last we're going to be doing with the music again. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And if you want to be TikTok famous, you just need to hit the subscribe button down below, because this channel will really teach you how to become TikTok famous. And now, set your phone aside. With that being said, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing first, we'll start up learning with the hands. So we need to keep our hands like this, like we are about to watch someone, and then we gotta pull it like this. Alright, then we gotta keep it down, and then we need to call someone. Then we gotta turn it. Alright, one more time. Pull, keep it down, turn. Perfect. Then the hand will come back like we are pulling something and come back. Then we need to do it same to the other hand like that. Alright, so we go. We did one, keep it down, turn, pull and pull. Perfect. And when you're pulling your hand, the legs will be, we need to keep our legs a little close if you're comfortable with that. Then we gotta take our heel out. First our right will be coming out. Then we need to take our left heel out. Alright, don't turn your body like I did just now. Just do it your heels. Cool, let's try it with the hands. We go 1, 2, turn and 1, back, 2, back. Perfect. Now after pulling and keeping it back, we need to take our head round like this, like we are keeping some water on our head, and then we'll take a round slowly. Alright, please note that over here we have 2 counts, so this is a little slow, not like this. Alright, so it's a little slow. So we go, we did 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cool, let's practice it. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Perfect. You guys are doing so well. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. Perfect. Let's try it little more speed. We go 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Perfect. You guys are doing so well. Let's quickly go forward. After doing 1, 2, we need to lean our body forward to our left side. Then our body will turn to this side. Alright. With that, your hands will be, only our right hand will be saying hi, but not in this way. We need to keep it down and then it will go like this. Alright. With your body, your hand will also follow your body. So let's try to do it with the body. Goes 1 and 2. Perfect. Let's do it from here. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 5 and 6, our right hand will be over here. From here, we gotta just cut our stomach. Not actually cutting, just for the TikTok. So we'll cut our stomach like this. With that, you just need to face to your left, like we did 1 and 2. Make sense? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 1, 2, 3 and 4. Perfect. Now after cutting, you just need to hit your right knee like this, or if you want to hit from your elbow, you can do that also, like boom. Alright, so we did 1, 2, 3 and 4 and hit. Perfect. While hitting, you gotta hop on your left leg like 1, like this. Cool. Let's try that one more time. From here goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and hop. Perfect. Now after that, let's go forward. So we did boom. Now we need to keep our leg back, and let's learn the hands first. So we need to keep our hands over here. Then our elbows will go up first, then it will come down, and then we gotta straight our hands like this. Cool. So we go. We did hop, keep it down, up and down. And when you're doing your hands down, with that your leg will be coming up again. Alright, so we did hop, up and 2. Make sense? One more time. 5, 6, 7. From the cut goes boom, up, elbows down, elbows, hand straight and knee up. Perfect. One more time. You guys are doing so great. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes hop, 1 and 2. Perfect. Let's try from the start. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. Let's go forward. After keeping it up, now we need to keep our right leg down. With that, you gotta slap with your right hand like this. After slapping, you need to take your hand back. I'm just teaching you the hands. You need to take your hand back like this. That means your left shoulder will be facing to the cam. And then we gotta take 2 rounds of our right hand like this. So the hand will be just doing this. Alright, so we did boom, 1 and 2, slap, come back, 1, 2. Alright, with that, your right leg will be tapping back, and as I said, your left shoulder will be facing to the cam. Cool? Let's try it with the legs. Goes 5, 6, from the hop, hop, down, up, show, hit, right leg back, left shoulder came front, then round and round. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 1, 2, we gotta keep our right leg forward. Then our hands will cross like this, and then it will come back. Then we need to push something down. With that, we gotta come onto our toes like this. Cool? So we did 1, 2. Keep your right leg back to the place. Hands will go around with that, and then push and come to your toes. Then we'll come back. Cool? Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the slap goes, we did ha and ha. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and. Perfect. Let's try it from the cut. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did whoop, hop, 1 and 2. Slap, come back, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Perfect. One more time. We go 5, 6, from the cut and whoop, hit, down and up, slap, come back, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 3 and 4 and, we need to cross our hands with the and then we'll open our hands, and then both the hands will go up, and then our right hand will come down, and then our left hand will come down. So we did 1, 2, 3 and. So we did 1. So we did 1 and 2 and 3. Then on the and 4 and 5, 6. Alright, with that, when you're taking your hands down, your body will be doing sway. First right leg, then left leg. Alright, how to do sway? You just need to take your right toe up, then keep it down. While keeping it down, bend your body this side, then same to the other side. Alright, so our hands are up, then we goes 1, 2. Perfect. Let's do it one more time. We did 1 and 2 and cross, open, up, sway, sway. Perfect. Let's do it from the cut till here. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, keep it back, elbows up, down. Yeah. We go hit 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and wave and push and 1 and 2 and. Perfect. After doing 2 and, it's very easy and simple. You just gotta lean your body little forward like what we did over here, the same, but this time your hands will be calling someone like this. Then we just need to tell them, hey, go from here, or hey, get out. Then while doing this, you just need to look back. Alright, like huh, or like huh. Alright, so we go 1. Then on the lyrics, not on the music, please note, on the lyrics we gotta just turn our head like this. It's like, no, don't go from here. Alright? On the first step, we are telling them to go. On the second step, we are telling don't go. Alright? So we go from here. Then don't go from here. Perfect. Let's do it from the cut till the end. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Call. Go from here. Music on the lyrics. Don't go. Perfect. Now with that being said, we have done our TikTok dance. Let's do it from the top. Slow, medium tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and call and throw. Don't go. Perfect. Little more fast medium. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 1, 2, 3 and go. Don't go. Perfect. Little more fast tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and cut. 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Turn your head. Perfect. And with that being said, you have done an amazing job. Let's try it with the music.
Pay attention to me, I'm on top of my head.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.